that's heading off to Warrnambool, Geelong. Oh, is there? Another Vlocity. Yeah, Siemens both ways. That's good. I'll just film this. Normally I have lots of Comengers on this.
I don't know why the things on the top of the front makes it look like a Teletubby or something. I can't remember, some anime character or something. Some animated character that it rides. No, it's that thing from the one that ate the thing in the urinal. What's its name?
Oh, I forgot. No.
It's like an alien, right?
Yeah.
You remember? It's like a Disney movie.
Yeah.
It comes out the Comeng. That's what
Siemens.
it makes it look like. See?
There you go. This is a good shot. One Siemens leaving, one arriving.
Let's hope it doesn't block it.
Yeah.
That's still good.
Flinders Street. Flinders Street. Let's get the door. A shot of the door. There we go. I just heard an N-class locomotive. I heard a horn. Oh, it's an... Wait, if you look at this train on the PIDs it actually says it's going to Sunshine. Like all the other trains say Sunbury, even though they're meant to go to... yeah, this would say Sunshine as well, right? Yeah, you have the Alstom Comeng and the, like Alstom refurbished and the EDI, like because the reason they refurbished it that way was because they the network had been split into two when it was privatized back in the late 90s. So, and the operators, they decided to refurbish each train, and in doing so they changed the train fronts and. No, seems to be a lot of Siemens running on the Sunbury line today. Normally you have a lot of Comengers, but we seem to be seeing a lot of Siemens, don't we?
Did you find out how much power they have?
No, not yet. Like I've gone to
the trains too, because
yeah.
it also has the the Australian stuff. If we can find a good mod, I'll probably get it. But,
yeah.
I just don't mind. As long as it's freight, I like the freight. Passengers can get a bit boring.
I'll zoom.
And then.
Oh, this is going to Ballarat. Got many people in that train. Yeah, it's going to Wendouree. Wendoree's. Yeah, that train's going to Wendouree, which is like west of well, it's a suburban Ballarat, I guess you could say. Is it coming?
$340 in Victoria, an A class.
A class. Oh.
It's got sound and everything.
Good afternoon, customers, and welcome to Metro. Customers, a reminder, if you're travelling on the Sunbury line, we do have bus replacements between Sunshine and Sunbury. This is due to track works. Just repeating, customers travelling on the Sunbury Water Garden line, we do have buses replacing trains between Sunshine and